and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Fitra Rania. So today I'm gonna explain question number 1. In this question, we have 3 parts, which is A, B, and C. A. Find the monthly payment and the total interest charge. B. If Hazim failed to pay for the first 4 payments, find the amount should he pay on the 5th payment to settle all the outstanding arrears. And the last question, calculate the outstanding balance if Hazim decides to settle his loan 2 years earlier. In the question, we know DP equals 0.1, K equals 0.0385, M equals 12, T equals 25. That's why we use this formula to find R. For the first step, we must multiply 0.1 with 383,300 ringgit, and we got the total of DP. After that, we must find A. So the 383,300 minus with total of DP, and we got 344,970 ringgit. And we substitute as usual and replace A as 344,970 ringgit. And we got R equal 1,792 ringgit 43 cent. This is for monthly payment. For total interest charge, we use this formula and substitute the M, the T is 25 and R is 1,792 ringgit 43 cent minus 344,970, and the answer is 192,759 ringgit. For answer part B, the info we know first payment is 1,792 ringgit 43 cent, so we must to find the 5-time payment. That's why T is 5 divided 12. We use this formula because we want to find the outstanding arrears. After we substitute the amount, we got S equal 9,090 ringgit and 48 cent. Last question is part C. The info we know he settled his loan 2 years earlier, which means 23 years. So amount of A minus with S. So the outstanding balance equal RM 335,950 and 16 cent.
My name is Nasuhana Bedrosan and I would like to explain about question 2, part 1. For question A, the formula used to find the trade discount is TD equals to LP multiplied by T. So TD is equal to 5450 times 0.2. And then we will get the answer is RM 1090. For question B, the formula used to find the cash discount is cash discount equal to net price multiplied by cash discount. So, but the net price value is not given, so we have to find it by using formula. NP equals to LP minus TD. So after we put all the information, and the answer will get RM4360 for the net price. After that, we can find fair value for cash discount by using the formula cash discount equals to NP multiplied by TC. So after we put all the information, the answer will get RM 174 and 46. For question C, to find the amount that paid, we must find the net payment value first by using a formula net payment equals to LP minus TD minus CD. After we put all the information, so the answer will be RM 4,185 ringgit and 60 cent. Next, we have to use payment formula, which is net payment plus OC. So after we put all the information, we will get the answer RM 4,485 ringgit and 60 cent.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Faiza. So now I will explain for part B question number 1. First thing first, we need to find the important content in the question. We can see that M equal to 12, K equal to 4%, and T equal to 5 years. Second, we need to identify which formula should we use. So we use this formula is S equal to R, open bracket, and bracket 1 plus K divide with M, close bracket, power of minus MT, deduct with 1, and divide by bracket K divide M. After that, we replace the formula with the information that we get from the question. Next, we need to calculate the bracket first, and we will get the S, or the total amount, which is 19,889 ringgit and 70 cents. After that, we will use another formula to search how the length of time that Madam Christina can took out 200 ringgit. So now, we use formula, which A equals to R, open bracket, 1 minus 2 bracket, 1 plus, K divide with M, close bracket, and power of minus MT, and after that, we divide with K divide to M. After that, we substitute the formula with the information that given. A is 19,889 ringgit and 70 cents, then equals with 200 ringgit, and then replace the K and M amount. Then we need to move the amount to calculate the answer, and then we get 0.668505. Next, we need to remove the power. So we need to use log to remove the power. Then we will get negative 121.01466649. And then we want to know only the value of t. So we transfer negative 12 to divide with 121.01466649 to calculate value of t. And then we got 10.08. So t is equal to 10 years. So that's how we solve the question. Thank you.
Hijau Bumi Sendirian Berhad issued an invoice dated 25 April 2023 for the purchase of 30 units of tablet. The transportation cost was RM750 and the net price after trade discount of 10% and 8% was RM55,500. The cash discount terms were 5% of the net price may be deducted if the invoice is paid within 10 days of the date of the invoice, 2% if the invoice is paid between the 11 and 20 days, and the full amount must be paid by the 30 day. Question A. Calculate the single discount rate equivalent to the given trade discount rates. So, we must use this formula. D equal 1 minus 1 minus 0.1 multiply 1 minus 0.08. So, we must calculate in the bracket first and then 1 minus to the answer. We get 1. Question B. Calculate the list price and trade discount of the item. So, in order to get the list price amount, we must use the net price formula. Net price equal list price multiply 1 minus D1 multiply 1 minus D2. So, 55,500 equal list price multiply 1 minus 0.1 multiply 1 minus 0.08. So the list price amount 67,028 ringgit 99 cents. Then trade discount, you must use the formula trade discount equal list price minus net price. So the answer is 11,128 ringgit 99 cents. Question C. To find the last date to receive the 2% cash discount, we must adding 20 days to 25 April 2023. So the answer is 15 May 2023. The amount paid if full payment was made on 4 May 2023. 25 April to 4 May 2023, it's equal 9 days. So, Hijau Bumi Sendirian Berhad will get 5% cash discount. To find the amount of payment, we must equal it to list price, multiply 1 minus D1, multiply 1 minus D2, multiply 1 minus DC, which is the cash discount. And then we must plus it with the other costs. So, 67,028 ringgit 99 cents, multiply 1 minus 0.1, multiply 1 minus 0.08, multiply 1 minus 0.05, and then we must plus it with 750 ringgit. So the amount of payment is 53,475 ringgit.